Alright guys, just a quick video here. I was going to go out in my car today, but I was a bit tired after work. I wanted to put this out just to show you what I'm doing. So, as you can tell already by the footage, it's me ordered a new RC car. So, this one will come in kit form. I've decided to go for the Axial Ryft. The reason I've got it is the terrain round where I stay, this car just seems absolutely perfect for. And also you've got the RTR version of it, which we'll go through the differences between them pretty soon. But the kit version to me is a lot cheaper to buy initially, and I've got all the electronics and things to make it into a full running car. But you do get a few extra trick bits with it. So I'll just kind of go through it just now. I've just sort of downloaded the Axial footage of the car, obviously because it's not arrived yet. So this is just a quick heads up before I do a build video. If you guys want to see the build video, or if you just want to see the final footage, let me know. But yeah, here we go. Hope you enjoy this, and super excited for this one to come through the door. Right, as I was saying, this one's got a few optional extras being the kit. So first here in this video you can see that torque twist, which off-road cars you want a lot of flex, but the twist of the power of the car, especially the ready to run car, you can see it's a bit extreme. The car really can't take the power on 4S there especially. I mean, I'm not even sure I'll run it on 4S, time will tell when I get the car, but when you see that kind of torque twist and the new one comes with the sway bar, I think the sway bar is going to make it a lot more stable, a lot more controllable, and when you're doing jumps and hill climbs, which I want to do because I've got loads of bashers. I've got the big Creighton AS, I've got my Crally Kronos XTR, and I've got various other cars for bashing. This one I don't want to do like 40-foot jumps, anything crazy. I want to try and run it as a rock bouncer, as a sort of scale hill climber. And I mean, for you guys who watch my channel a lot, you've seen some of my older videos. There's quarries that I go to with big, huge hills and things. I think this car will be absolutely great to nail up and down them. So that's a big thing, having obviously the sway bars at the back. It's going to be a big benefit. And the other thing as well is the car comes with a spool option. So you've got open centre diff on the normal RTR, which to me, off-road, especially for a hill climbing car, seems a bad move in general. I don't even know why they've done that on the RTR. But to have a centre diff spool, that's going to give you a lot more even power transfer and grip to each one of the wheels. So yeah, that's the two main things that kind of sold me on this rig. But I mean, other than that, it's got obviously reinforced braces on the back trailing arms. I think, and I don't know if the newer models now, but I think the first batch of the models, there was definitely a fault with the plastics and the trailing arms snapping a little bit. So I think with the kit version they've got the remedy for that there. I'm not sure about the newer RTRs, if that's been fixed or they're still the same. But obviously you've got strengthened braces there, and basically you can make the car how you want. You get obviously different panels, colour it how you want, make it kind of just how you want it to be. So I'm not going to do a giant talk on this car till we start building it. I just thought I'd really put a quick video out showing you guys that I've decided to go for the Ryft. I'm really looking forward to getting on the channel, and hopefully you guys like it. So if anybody else has got one, or looking at getting one, or generally just has an opinion on the car, please leave it in the comments. The other car that I looked at the same time as this was the Axial Bomber, but I just felt for the money, I think the Ryft just gave you a bit more, it felt a bit more value looking at the specs and things like that. So maybe I'm wrong, but for me personally, I think the Ryft was the best option to go for. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to leave you to it now. Like I say, comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want, and or dislike too, that's fine. And I'll see you guys with something soon. Paul out, have a nice night guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.